Welcome back. We are going live in 2 minutes, my friends. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Ethereum ETFs approved. Let's talk crypto. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Guys, happy Friday. I hope everybody has some beautiful plans for the upcoming holiday weekend, guys. And I hope you've been celebrating the Ethereum ETF. This is huge. Guys, this has been one of the biggest weeks for crypto in a very long time. In fact, this has been the biggest year for cryptocurrency in the history of the whole thing. And what's crazy about it, and I was talking with maxi, my partner on this channel, about this recently, is when we started this channel 2 years ago, there's something we've just consistently been talking about for the last year and a half at least, that politics and crypto were going to merge. It was inevitable. Nobody really liked it, but there was one thing to like about it, and that is the fact that now it is getting accepted by politicians. In fact, it's getting pushed by politicians, but there's still some hurdles, which we'll talk about, and talk about some of the great things that have happened. Today, let's look at the charts, some of the big stories, what's going on, what you need to be aware of. Shorter stream today, but I want to get into the meat and potatoes of it, do a little Q&A at the end, and share some love with you guys. Yep, careful with the shilling in the chat, gotta protect the people a little bit, with respect, don't overshill. I get it a little bit, but, there's a reasonability to it. So smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, everybody. Welcome back, let's get in, my friends. Okay, so, today, Bitcoin at $67,000. Let's make sure that price is accurate right now. Getting a move back up above 68K right now. A little bit calm to flat on the day. Ethereum actually lower than when it was before the Ethereum ETFs were approved. Even though the ETFs were approved, they are not live yet, so we'll look at some of these stories. Let's take a peek at some of the charts very quick. Stacks, coin, still trying to make that turnaround, but Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to be something to pay attention to here. We broke out to the downside of this wedge on a huge wick, and then we went up above it. Now we're back below. This pattern is kind of invalidated at this point. Wouldn't be surprised to see some more increased volatility on this, but this is absolutely huge for crypto, my friends. Absolutely huge. Now, blockchain technology is getting accepted. DeFi basically got the green light from the government, essentially, with this, because Ethereum, it is all about DeFi. So later on, we're going to look at, what's trending right now in crypto. What are the best performing assets of the week by category? We'll look at that at the end of the stream, and you're probably not going to be surprised to see what they are. Ethereum related, DeFi related, and for good reason, guys. And then talking about what might come next, people are hyped about a potential Solana ETF. Solana cooling off a little bit today. Let's see how the week shakes out. We still got a couple days left before the weekly candles close here. And Bitcoin, let's zoom in on Bitcoin here, waiting for that parabolic breakout we've talked about so much here on this channel. It's just not here yet. When those Ethereum ETFs go live, those inflows could really change the game. Stop the bleeding over the last 24 hours for Bitcoin. Still trying to find our way up in a very healthy range up here. Not going to be surprised to see us come back down to 59 or 60K one more time. Or who knows, maybe a couple more times. We've got to wait for those Ethereum ETFs to go live. When? Your guess is as good as mine, my friends, but probably soon, sooner rather than later. And I'll see if I can find some more specifics for you guys on that. What's going on today? A couple coins are up. Chainlink getting a nice move. Lido, Ondo. Again, we'll look at some of the trending things here. Nothing's going crazy today. To the downside, actually, we have a couple coins, low to flat. Really a non-eventful day in terms of price action. A little bit of downside on some of the majors, especially Ethereum. A little bit surprising, but not really that surprising. Still waiting for that Ethereum ETF to go live. So let's see how it pans out, my friends. While you're hopping in, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's talk liquidation. So a couple ranges to keep an eye out right now. We had a very obvious spot to come down, get some liquidations. These are the magnets, these bright green lines. Came down to them. Wouldn't be surprised if we move back up to 71K again. Again, showing you guys that maybe we do bounce around, in this region for Bitcoin and crypto, kind of right up here, just based on looking at some of the liquidations. So let's see exactly how this thing plays out. The overall liquidations are calming down. Yesterday, we had actually a big long squeeze. This was why, Ethereum and Bitcoin slipped just after the hype. A lot of longs probably got opened on the Ethereum ETF news, and then those longs got liquidated. That is what happens, guys. Leverage is dangerous. It can be a great tool. If you guys want to sign up for Femex using our sign up link down below, you can get up to $4,100 when you sign up for Femex. It's for experienced traders only, but please consider it, but check it out. Do your own research on that. If that's something you want to look at and you haven't done it, that's there for you. You can also become a member like Chris Gomez, like Shy Sox Fan, get access to our private Discord, my friend. Servando Estrada in the chat. Happy Friday to you, my friend. Reginald says the government loves crypto, and that's great news for all of it. You are exactly right. So the crypto industry is cheering today, absolutely, as the historic move of the Ethereum ETF getting the green light after much debate. We have seen so many things happening. Looking at some bullet points here, VanEck said the improved political backdrop will lead to future victories in digital asset space, possibly leading to more ETFs, possibly leading to more coin listings on platforms like Robinhood and Coinbase. The SEC approved the spot Ethereum ETFs amid changing political dynamics, aka lawmakers are bullish on crypto. In fact, maybe less so bullish, but they realize that they can't sit this on the sidelines for national interests and also for political interests. That's really what's going on here. The decision affirms that the Ether is a commodity, as opposed to what Gary Gensler wanted us all to believe, which is huge, huge news today, my friend. Another victory for the people, the crypto people, and really the people even that aren't in crypto. There was a bill introduced to ban the Federal Reserve from issuing a CBDC, a central bank digital currency here in the US, which we do not want for many, many reasons, right? We do not want that oversight, that much oversight from the federal government on every little thing that we do, and the ability to potentially, block us from our own funds. That's the threat and the risk of a CBDC, really undermining our freedom of speech and our freedom of money, really. And that bill passed, which means the House wants to protect the people in this vote, at least. So this is very good to see, guys. And both Republicans and Democrats who have seemed to be a little more reluctant on crypto, are warming up. And I think there's obvious reasons for that I'm going to get into in a second. We also saw the bill to develop a regulatory framework for digital assets pass in the House. President Biden was going to veto that, and he will no longer do so. Some of the language used in this is very interesting, showing that basically the president, the office of the presidency, said themselves that if we do not develop regulatory frameworks and adopt cryptocurrency, we could lose our footing as one of the global world powers. This is all huge. This has been one of the biggest years ever for cryptocurrency. And, even Politico, crypto's huge moment scrambling U.S. politics. Recent votes surfaced household names even like Chuck Schumer and Nancy Pelosi, where, you wouldn't have expected. A lot of people wouldn't have expected them to be pro-crypto, but here they are today voting in favor of these pro-crypto bills, which is very, very, very bullish because Republicans are bullish, Democrats are bullish, and this might be the guy to blame or attribute for it. It's Trump, guys. Trump campaign started taking taking cryptocurrency donations. Don't be surprised if you see the Biden administration taking crypto donations soon as well. I would not be surprised to see that as well. We've predicted a lot of things like this lately, and that's probably going to be yet another prediction we get right. As Donald Trump recently vowed to build a crypto army. Well, when he vowed to build a crypto army, Democrats said, okay, we're going to have to get behind this crypto thing as well, because anybody that's pro-crypto, and there's a lot of Americans that are pro-crypto right now. There's a lot that are anti-crypto or just don't care about crypto. But you cannot jeopardize the opportunity to get those votes as somebody trying to get elected into office. And so all campaigns realize that, and this is exactly why all these things are happening. Trump campaign accepting those donations again. I'm not going to be surprised to see the Biden administration take this as well. And congressional seats, House seats that are, up for grabs, and those elections coming up, I'm not going to be surprised to see crypto donations for those as well. But we're not totally out of the woods, guys. There are things that you need to keep in mind. For example, the U.S. Supreme Court loss for Coinbase leaves the company with mixed records. I'm very bullish on Coinbase, but recently the court went against Coinbase because of a highly technical arbitration dispute, which is understandable. Look up arbitration to figure out exactly what it is, but it's a price discrepancy between, what is it on this platform, what is on that platform, and are they acting ethically there? Well, Supreme Court gave them a boo-boo on that one, which is very interesting, but that doesn't really mean anything for the asset class as a whole, considering everything else that we've seen. They even say here, but it wasn't addressing anything specific about the digital asset space, just the company, Coinbase themselves, which is a big crypto company. So we're going to want to see, all these companies cooperating with the government, but we also don't want the government intervening too much with those businesses, right? We want crypto free and fair. So, you can speculate on this as much as you guys want, but it is a big story today. So what are some of the things pumping today, guys? Let's talk a little bit about that as well. Well, AI meme coins are taking the cake over the last 7 days, which is very interesting. AI has certainly been a hot topic. If you look over at CoinMarketCap, it is one of the trending categories on CoinMarketCap, along with gaming, Solana ecosystem, memes overall. So you got memes and AI together being some of the top things here. You also got I don't really know what that one is, but liquid restaking government tokens, Ethereum Fi ecosystem, guys. A lot of these things that are trending right now, what do they have to do with? Ethereum. Ethereum, as people have been getting increasingly bullish on Ethereum with this ETF approval. This is why these are the particular things that are trending. Base meme coins are still trending. Solana meme coins are still doing pretty well this week. And then memes in general are doing up 12% over the last 7 days as a group as a whole. But again, we are just waiting, guys, for that broader crypto explosion, which should be imminent at any point in time. One thing I've been talking about so much on this channel is this chart right here, guys. Just that big Bitcoin chart. It's been about 81 days so far since we wicked above our previous highs from 2021. And with all this news happening for crypto, I think we are ready for that parabolic explosion, and dare I say potential super cycle, however you want to define that. I'm not talking about $1 million Bitcoin this cycle, but $100,000 Bitcoin's looking very good. $200,000 Bitcoin is even looking very good in my opinion, especially with all this very bullish news, my friends. 55 viewers, 19 likes, smash a like. Love to the Caw fam as well. Thanks for all that love. St. Jonas V. I don't know how to say your name. Chris Klein's also a fan. Full moon tomorrow, says John. Makes crypto pump. Add that to the mix. It could be. I'm looking forward to that. I really hope so. What else is going on, my friends? Crypto Kip NFT. I don't think we have any of those. I'm not launching any NFTs. Hey, Waldo, how you doing, brother? Been DMing Waldo a bit. One of the loyal members on this channel. If you guys become a member, you get access to our private Discord. But, I know who the members are, and, I DM them sometimes and just, be a person, have a conversation, have a lot of fun. And that's exactly what it is. I also want to call out one more thing. Actor anti-crypto book. I forget what this guy's name is, but I want to share this with you guys. So, do you guys remember this? Ben McKenzie. He's in many popular TV shows. That's his face right there. He wrote this book, Easy Money. And it came out back in July of last year, right? And he went very bearish on crypto, literally at the bottom of the market. So an actor came out, Hollywood actor, and he said, crypto is dumb, it's a scam, he ripped on Tether, which there's a good excuse for Tether. But I was recently with my brother-in-law. He was telling me how he read this book, and my brother-in-law also has some crypto as well, but he remained a crypto skeptic, but he did buy Bitcoin at about $15,000, $20,000 and made some pretty decent gains, obviously, because he bought in the bear market, which is what we've talked about through the history of this channel. Anyway, I just wanted to shout out Ben McKenzie here for being an official idiot. Just, pretty harsh to say, but it's funny, he joined the bandwagon of just hating on crypto, kicking it while it was down, and, now he's got egg on his face because he literally published this book, and it came out at the bottom of the bear market, and he was just all bearish about Bitcoin and crypto. And now here we have politicians seemingly FOMOing into crypto. Trump says he's going to build a crypto army. Biden is pro-crypto in a sense now. Politicians, even the politicians you might not have expected to turn out bullish, they are now pro-crypto in their votes in the House. Now these bills are moving to the Senate. We'll see how it plays out, but this guy couldn't have been more off. And so before you just follow the celebrities and follow the big names and follow the Washington Post and large publications like this, guys, do a little bit of digging on your own, because they do tend to want to feed the sheep a pile of you-know-what and keep you inevitably poor. That's what it seems to be. I think this is an effort from the system as they have it. Warren Buffett even. Rat poison. Bitcoin's rat poison. I wouldn't buy all the Bitcoin in the world for $1. You've got people even like Larry Fink, who is the hero right now with BlackRock ETFs. Larry Fink was an anti-crypto guy until he flipped pro-crypto, and egg on face for all these guys, especially Ben McKenzie, especially Jim Cramer, who's a flip-flopping maniac, and even Larry Fink, who flipped bullish. So, Scosson with the $10 super chat. Thank you so much. Howdy, Crypto Report fam. Sorry I've been gone, busy traveling with the new job. Love the new job, brother. Glad to hear it. Could you take a look at the Metaplex chart, MPLX? I sure can. Let's do a little bit of Q&A, my friend. Thank you for that super chat. MPLX. Scosson with a gifted membership. Congratulations to Adam. Welcome to the Crypto Report membership. Shout out to the Discord crew. Absolutely. If you guys want to join us in our private Discord, you can become a member just like Scosson, just like that new member, gifted Aiden. Absolutely. Let's MLPX, Metaplex, rank number 532. What is Metaplex? I have no idea. $79 million market cap. Let's look at the chart. Looks like it's been around since 2022 or so, according to CoinMarketCap. Looks like it's coming up in a nice wedge pattern here, imminent for a breakout, either the upside or the downside, just at a glance. So let's see. On Radium, which is a big decentralized exchange for Solana, a Bybit listing, KuCoin, Gate.io. So missing some of the big exchanges still. What the heck is this thing? Decentralized protocol for creation, commerce, and use of digital assets on the Solana blockchain. Metaplex provides utility programs like Pax, Fusion, Entangled, encrypted NFTs. Gumdrop, Hydra facilitate distribution. So a project on Solana. Look, guys, if you're bullish on Solana, you could be bullish on the projects within Solana as well. And it looks like this team is doing a lot, but you got to continue to do your digging. Who are the founders? These are things I like to look at. Just kind of glancing at it a little bit more. How big is their social media presence? Let's take a peek. 87.8K followers, pretty decent. How's the website? Also want to look at this. How often are they posting? 2 hours ago, 23 hours ago. Posting pretty regularly as well, so pretty active. Build and scale NFTs on Solana. Yeah, the only problem I have with this one, Scossom, is I just don't like NFTs, right? So if you like NFTs and you like Solana, then, maybe you are interested in something like this. And what I really do believe that, over the long term, we're going to have that parabolic rally for crypto overall. If Solana rips, projects within Solana will rip. The question is a project associated with NFTs going to be big? Are NFTs dead? Are NFTs going to have a revival? So far, we really haven't seen a big revival for NFTs yet, but you never know. We did have a nice ordinals pump for Bitcoin ordinals, but that's a whole different story. Just kind of hype on the Bitcoin DeFi space, but we'll see. Thanks for that super chat. I hope that was, a worthwhile little scoop for you. Not much more I can say about that one there. Taking other questions. Thanks, Gossam. Appreciate it, brother. Let's look what's going on as well on some of the Cronos memes. I know we got some Crow with Knife fans out there. We got some Mouse and the Pasta fans. Mary taking the #1 spot today. Crow with Knife trying to get a little move up. Let's see if it can do it. I do believe, I did a video last night, I do believe we can have a Cronos chain meme coin revival wave number 2 coming. Did a video on that last night. You guys should check it out. Mary's holding strong, mouse in the pasta. In this range, getting a nice bounce exactly as I predicted off the top of this wedge. Not really getting a true breakout from here, but let's see how it plays out, my friends. Let's see how it plays out. Again, memes are highly speculative. Just because I talk about a meme doesn't really mean anything, guys. You got to do your own research. Look at the volume. Look at the look at the market cap. Look at the liquidity. Look at the community. Look at the token holders. Look at how many people are holding how much of the supply. Look at the social medias. Look at the exchange listings. Look at the things that are going on. You know, that's something we've been talking about quite a bit. Not much more to say on that today. Bitcoin's getting a nice move up right now. Let's see if we can take that $69,000 level again. And again, I do see there's liquidations getting looked at like 70K. So we'll see if we can get back up there. It's looking decent. Why is DYOR so much work? It really is, my friends. It really is. And even when you do the research, sometimes you can get hurt. And that's just the reality of crypto. Don't invest more than you're willing to lose. Degen token. I could take a peek at it for you. You've been around Legacy Legends, man. I know it's on crypto.com as well. Yeah, crypto.com is one of the bigger exchanges there. KuCoin, Gate.io. What the heck is Degen token anyway? I never even looked at it. And the Farcaster Degen channel. It began as a meme coin, now boasts substantial following. Developers, content creators, enthusiasts who have bought into the coin. So it's kind of a meme that found utility. You know, if crypto pumps, you never know. $294 million market cap. How high can it go? Maybe more exchange listings. You never know. Again, I think a lot of coins are going to pump, my friends. A lot of coins are going to pump. What are the socials looking like? But not every coin's going to pump, right? Degen is on this Degen is on the Base network. So did it start on the Base chain? Base chain's been hot. 56.4K followers, pretty decent. Pretty decent. And I would get into some of these things, you know, follow it. Follow the community. See if you like it. Me, you know, don't want to spread myself out too thin, so not much more I can say about that. But, you know, I really, much love to all you guys out there. You know, I'm super excited. I'm going to be a dad soon. I put out this tweet last night, you know, and I could have been happier with the engagement on this. And this wasn't, you know, an engagement farm post, but, you know, I said I'm very excited to be a dad. Baby girl due on September 16th. Crazy, amazing cereal. Any tips? For real. And you know what? Shout out to all you guys. Really great tips from everybody out there. I feel the love and, you know, love right back to you guys. So just shout out to all you guys out there. This channel's nothing without you guys and nothing without all the efforts from everybody in the crypto space, especially the Crow fam, who has been, you know, very, very wonderful. You know, what a great community. I love Cronos. I love the Crow fam, and I hope it the best. We'll see how it plays out. Bitcoin's getting a nice move up. Beautiful to see. 58 viewers, 27 likes. Smash that like button for me, guys. Kip's brother thinks DYR means to just click a button. If only he knew. You're right, Buju. He really does, but he doesn't know, and I don't think he's ever gonna know. I don't think he's ever going to know. But all love. All love. That's the other brother-in-law. Not the one I was talking about earlier, but... Daryl's asking me, still hanging on to your dog rune and runestone? I am. I am. We'll see how it plays out. Waiting for that bull market explosion. Bushu says, I'm surprised if EVS is not doing another IMO before Damoon hits CDC. You know, I wouldn't be surprised if they do. I wouldn't be surprised if they don't. Maybe we need some pumps. Any news on Alex Labs? Not so much. They're just trying to make some redemption, trying to gain some trust back. Let's see if they can do it. But, you know, cost some FUD for Stacks, but Stacks is still its own thing, right? There are other competitors to Alex Labs. It's not all about Alex Labs, but I'm not holding Alex Labs right now. I haven't been for a while because I went into the memes instead in Stacks. Yes, I've been a meme degen lately, but glad I did because Alex Labs is, you know, looking spooky, but sometimes, hey, you buy the blood in the streets and you get rewarded for it, but definitely want to keep an eye on that one on your own, guys, and just follow the news there. They're doing what they can to regain trust to protect themselves, increase security. So that's good to see, but we'll see how it happens. Oh, they are doing another one? Wow. Let's see how it happens. I'll probably do a video on that one later. Actually, I think I get a video about Pikamoon later. One of the only sponsored contents that we do. But Pikamoon, you know, seemed legitimate. So we've been doing some sponsored content for them. And just keeping the transparency with you guys there. Very cool. Very cool. On the VVS, another meme offering. Let's see how it goes. All right, guys, I hate to cut it short, but I do have a lot to do today. Unfortunately, I gotta go. But overall, this has been a great year for crypto. A fantastic week. The Ethereum ETFs are approved. Let's see when they go live. That's going to be the big explosion, in my opinion, guys. That is all I got for you today on this one. Much love to all of you guys out there. You know, I gave somebody a timeout earlier because they were overshilling in the chat. Just respect the chat, fam. All love. Supporting the community for sure. Marlon asking about Milady. Never been a big fan of Milady, but I never really looked into it that much. So we'll just see how it pans out. Again, it was a big thing, had a big community. Got to be in the Discord for that. Follow the community. What's the sentiment? Is it sticking around? Is the developer there? We'll see how it pans out. Guys, that's all I got on this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, don't forget to DCA, HODL, do your own research, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, y'all. Have a great night. More videos later today, as always. See ya.